Welcome to ABIEdu. Every contract begins with a promise, but how does a contract come to an end? Let's walk through the main ways a contractual relationship is discharged. The most common and happiest ending is discharge by performance. Both parties do exactly what they promised. Their obligations are fully met and the contract is complete. Sometimes the parties simply agree to end it. This is discharge by agreement. They mutually decide to cancel the contract, replace it with a new one, or release each other from their duties. A contract can also end through breach. If one party fails to perform a serious obligation, the other party may be entitled to treat the contract as ended, and they may claim damages for the loss they suffered. Then there's frustration. Through no fault of either party, an unforeseen event can make performance impossible or radically different from what was agreed. For example, the subject of the contract is destroyed, or a change in the law makes it illegal. A frustrated contract is brought to an end automatically. Some contracts end by operation of law. In a personal service contract, the death of a party can discharge it, and the bankruptcy or insolvency of a party can bring obligations to an end or pass them to a trustee. Rights can also be passed on through assignment, where one party transfers its benefits and sometimes its duties to someone else. In short, a contract ends by performance, agreement, breach, frustration, or law. Knowing how a contract ends is just as important as knowing how it begins. This is general educational information, not legal advice. This is ABIEdu. Keep learning.